This is a solution list. Let's create new one called My Solution. Let's open the solution. There's a canvas on the right side and solution tree on the left side. Let's go to domains and create a new domain called my.domain.terms. Go to the root node of new domain and create a group node called terms. Create subnode called term1 under group node terms. Check value slice and select float data type. Create another subnode called term2, also with value slice checked and float data type selected. Now create another domain called my.domain.sum. Add domain node called sum under root node with value slice checked and float data type selected. Now you have two domains under namespace, my.domain, called sum and terms. Return to Projects tab and create new library project called sum project. Click on root runlet of new projects, then click button edit and rename runlet to sum runlet. Click on inputs button and add new input pin called terms with domain my.domain.terms. Click on outputs button and add new output pin called result with domain my.domain.sum. Add input port to the canvas for just created external input pin terms. Now add output port to the canvas for just created external output pin result. Add coded runlet to the canvas and name it Sum Me Up. Add input pin to the created runlet, name it Terms, and assign domain my.domain.terms. Add output pin to the created runlet, name it Result, and assign domain my.domain.sum. Connect output of the input port terms to input of the runlet Sum Me Up. Now connect output of the runlet Sum Me Up to input of the output port result. Go back to the project called New Project and insert reference to runlet Sum Runlet from the project Sum Project into the canvas. Rename newly inserted runlet to CalcSum. This is how you can now reference and reuse runlet Sum Me Up in different projects.